The new nesting models of the Dynestic series from HOLZHER enable perfect nesting results at the highest level. The innovative technology ensures a high production capacity and precisely manufactured workpieces. The Dynestic 7532 offers high dynamics and vector speed of up to 120 meters per minute. The welded moving gantry bridge is particularly stable for maximum loads and ensures high rigidity. The high-flow vacuum table, which is optimized for nesting processing, ensures perfect holding of the workpieces. The Dynestic 7532 is ideally suited to your applications and is therefore available in 3 different equipment variants. The push model pushes the finished nest onto the conveyor belt while cleaning the machine table for processing the next panel. In combination with the automatic HOLZHER StoreMaster panel handling system, the automatic model is the ideal solution for high performance and variable throughput. The lift model, with its standard elevating table, guarantees highly efficient processing of complete stacks of panels. The high-performance machines of the Dynestic series will provide perfectly formatted workpieces with suitable connector drillings and expand the limits of nesting technology to completely new dimensions. Get more information on our website at www.holzher.de.